All right, out here in Santa Monica, got something super special for you guys today. Hope you're ready for some adventure. Let's go. Paul, where are we at?
Hi guys, we're at Santa Monica Airport. It's Friday afternoon. Ready to take you up on the Icon A5.
Hell yeah.
The light sport amphibious aircraft.
A little backstory here. I first saw this aircraft like 10, 15 years ago in Popular Science, Popular Mechanics, these magazines, talking about this thing like it was the future. And it took years and years to finally get all the technology together to make this thing a reality. And today we're here to fly it. Oh, what's that doing there? Beautiful bike.
Someone gifted us a bike.
Somebody gifted that? Wow, that's crazy.
Yeah.
I was told the plane was gifted, so
yeah,
fair trade.
We trade plane for plane. Is it the same motor that you have on technology, or is it different things?
Very similar technology. You want to take it for a spin?
Sure.
We would know from Icon Aircraft and check out the craft we're in today. It's like a motorcycle meets a Lamborghini, meets a Ferrari, meets a boat. So stoked, let's fly this thing. Noah's in a bit of a rush to get back down to San Diego in this thing before it gets bogged in.
I'm gonna go over here, Rob. I'll show you the run-up.
Santa Monica ground, Cessna 974 Tango Alpha high-speed run-up, requesting taxi to southeast parking.
Back to both. This should go out. Don't feel pressure line. Gonna shut this. Santa Monica Tower, good afternoon. Icon 632 Bravo Whiskey for takeoff 21 VFR to the northwest.
Icon 632 Bravo Whiskey, Santa Monica Tower, runway 21 cleared for takeoff. 2,100.
Alright, I'll be looking at you, Victor.
Little left to right.
Your AGL Victor, no higher than 1,500 for that traffic.
Yeah,
Okay, through it now and
So we're gonna do a stall sequence here. This plane is basically unstallable from what I've heard.
It will stall, it won't spin. Spin resistance. So we'll do a
Spin
power
resistance.
on and then power off. So you see as the AOA goes up, you're gonna hear the horn here in a second, and then you're gonna get the buffet. Yeah, okay, so now we're in a full stall power. So as I cross control the plane, the wing will just kind of drift off left and right. It won't spin to the ground. And then watch this, Rob, full idle, full backstick. It's just gonna fall like a leaf, watch. The nose is gonna come down. Only 1,000 foot per minute in a full stall ready to descend. Just break it.
Overtaking you. They're currently over the Santa Monica Pier northbound.
The plane is really maneuverable is the point, right, of this exercise, and this goes to show you like the maneuverability of the A5. We call it a minimum radius turn because I'm gonna flop it over and make a really tight turn.
Big.
So, and you'll feel some G's. So,
Hell yeah.
okay.
Let's get some G's, baby.
All right, we clear over there. So you ready?
Play left. Whoa!
Victor 015, frequency change approved, quality of Bargade.
The water's a bit rough, looking for a place to do a water landing. We got the landing gear
The
up,
gear's up.
flaps all the way down.
Water rudders retracted.
Below
so we're gonna
75 knots, correct?
That's right. We're gonna slow to on speed here. We're gonna trim out a little bit. We'll try to find a place just to touch the water here.
All right.
So as you get closer, you can see the swells and stuff. So you just gotta be really careful, right? So gears up, flaps are full, water rudders retracted. Trimming to on speed, which is right there.
Yep.
And then we'll transition to yellow line as we touch the water. Then we're just gonna kiss the water here.
Incredible. How long you been flying for?
Well, so I flew in the Navy for a long time on and off the aircraft carrier, so all in, yeah, I've got several thousand hours and a couple hundred traps. I've been flying for Icon for 2 years. I've got like 350 hours in this plane.
Wow.
So up and shifted, but most of my time's in military. I graduated from the Naval Academy in '97 and flew in the Navy for 10 years.
How is it landing on a carrier?
Yeah, well, listen, if I could do it, anybody could do it, but you just have to practice, just like anything else, right? It's just like, you just have to practice the technique, which is different than you would land this plane at the field, right?
So this aircraft is extremely lightweight. It's a light sport aircraft.
Charlie.
It means you don't need a full pilot's license to fly it.
Wind to
And it's so light, in fact, that the glide ratio is 9, which means if you put the power out completely, losing engine, you can fly 9,000 feet for every 1,000 feet of altitude you drop. Just incredible. How do you look for people that would be interested in an aircraft like this?
Yeah, that's a great question. So we really target mainly two types of buyers. Half of our owners are already pilots, experienced pilots that own and operate light jets or high-performance props, and they get this as a fun plane to kind of mess around in the water. So that's one group. And then the other group was really what the founders' idea was to democratize aviation, catering to the light sport category in the sport pilot license. So about 40 to 50% of our owners are brand new pilots, and they look and see the simplicity, the elegance, that it's easy, safe, and fun, and they can do it. And so they purchase the plane with a mind to getting their sport pilot license and moving up in aviation. That's the real goal. Yeah,
how long does it take on average for these new guys, the 40, 50% of these guys that don't have a license, to get the Icon and get queued up so they can fly solo?
Depending on their time, they can do it in a month. Some guys take a few months just because of their schedules and they're busy, but usually it takes about a month.
That's amazing. If you don't have a pilot's license yet, I can't recommend it enough. Go out, get in an airplane, have some fun, make it an Icon if you got the means to do it.
7 November, Santa Monica.
So if you've seen my other vlogs, you know that flying an airplane, that's the easy part. Taking off, flying around, so easy. Landing an airplane, that's the most difficult part.
Remember, Mike, make your right turn at the
this is
shoreline.
much easier than a normal aircraft to land, than a Cessna, Piper, things that you can fly. So we're going to put that to the test here. That was amazing.
The citrus departure.
Very cool, huh?
So you guys just missed on camera. We put the plane down. I volunteered to land it, so definitely didn't want to hold the camera on that. But how was it? Rate that landing.
Excellent, actually. You did really, really well. So you see how easy it is.
So easy.
25.2 and 1 transit. Good job, 304.
What a flight. Oh my God. Amazing experience. You guys got to come check out Icon Aircraft. Get that flight in.
Rate the landing A minus.
A minus. He's being really generous.
And then as Steve turns, A++.
Woo! A++. Noah's trying to get home to San Diego, and his fog is coming in so hard right now. We don't know if he's gonna make it. Let us know in the comments below. What do you think's gonna happen?
Like and subscribe.
Will he make it home?
To make it.
Like, comment, and subscribe if you want to know if he lived or not. All right, Noah, you cruising?
Yeah, I'm cruising, man. Thanks.
Thank you so much for the flight today.
Hit me up down in
absolutely, man.
San Diego.
Will do. I got your card.